Hello, we are starting our chapter 1. In this, we have already taken 3 lectures. In the first lecture, we have done your voltage amplifier and power amplifier difference and their difference. In the second lecture, we have discussed about class A amplifier. In third lecture, we have discussed about class B amplifier, and in this lecture, we will be discussing about class AB amplifier and class C amplifier in the transistor audio power amplifier. These configurations we will study. So let's start the lecture. What is class B amplifier? In this type of amplifiers, the transistor biasing is done in such a way that the output current, that means output current means collector current, flows for more than half cycle, that is more than half matlab 180 degree, more than 180 degree, but less than full cycle. Less than full cycle means less than 360 degree. So transistor will conduct between 180 degree to 360 degree cycle, and in the class AB amplifier, the Q point, quotient point, is very close to the cutoff point, and but above the little bit above the x-axis on the DC load line. So here we can see this amplifier is having the basically the compromise between the class A amplifier and class B amplifier. So in case of class A amplifier, the Q point were lying in between the load line, and in case of class B amplifier, it was lying in the cutoff region. But here it is the class AB amplifier, so Q point is lying in between these two lines, in between the class A amplifier Q point and in between the class B amplifier load point. So it will lie in between the two, so just above the Q point, above the cutoff region it is applying. So in if we use such type of biasing, then the output will be present at the in case of this amplifier, the transistors will conduct between 180 degree to 360 degrees of the AC input signal. So but the output signal obtained in class AB operation is distorted. So the positive thing is that the advantage, we can say, the efficiency of class AB amplifier is more than the class A but less than the class B operation. So its efficiency lies in between. Class A amplifier it is around 50%, in class B it is 78.5%. So in between its efficiency lies. And the advantage is another advantage is that it can eliminate the crossover distortion problems that we were having in case of class B amplifiers configuration. So in this case, since Q point is lying here, so output collector current will be here. Waveforms will be like this. So in this case, the crossover distortion problems will be eliminated when used class AB amplifier. So this was about class AB amplifier. Now we will discuss about class C amplifier. So class C amplifier, in this amplifier, it conducts less than 180 degree. So in class B it was conducting for 180 degree. Class C will conduct for less than 180 degree cycle. So in order to produce full sine wave output, class C configuration uses tuned circuit, or we can say LC tank circuit, for getting full AC sine wave at the output. So this is called tuned circuit or resonant circuit that is used in class C amplifier. So class C amplifiers are used for tuned amplifier circuits, and its application is in radio communication circuits. So class C amplifier biasing is done in such a way that collector current will flow less than 180 degree of the cycle, and it will operate with a tuned or resonant circuit. But the beauty of class C amplifier is that the efficiency is very good. It is 85 to 90%. So it is used in radio communication, or it can be used for RF range, radio frequency range, class C amplifier is used, and class A and class B amplifiers are used for audio communication circuits, for audio, as a audio amplifier. For radio amplifiers, basically we use class C power amplifiers. So in class C amplifier, the Q point, it basically lies below the cutoff region. Right, it is in the DC load line, it is below the cutoff region. So in the last, if we compare the different configurations, class A amplifier, the operating cycle is from 360 degree and power efficiency is 25 to 50%. In case of class AB amplifier, operating cycle is from 180 degree to 360 degree and the efficiency is 50% to 78%, 78.5%. So in class B amplifier, the operating cycle of the output signal varies for the 180 degree cycle and its efficiency is 78.5, and class C, the collector current flows for less than 180 degree but the efficiency is greater than 90%. So and class D is used for pulse operations, or you can say digital circuits. Here we will not discuss the class D amplifier because this is basically for digital circuits. So this is all about the classification of all the amplifiers for chapter 1.